Endocrine glands and hormones in human body. There are several endocrine glands in the human body, including pituitary gland. The pituitary gland, also known as the hypophysis, is a small pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain. It is often called as the master gland because it produces and secretes a variety of hormones that regulate the function of many other endocrine glands in the body. The pituitary gland is divided into two main parts: the anterior pituitary, adenohypophysis, and the posterior pituitary, neurohypophysis. The anterior pituitary is composed of glandular tissue and secretes several hormones, while the posterior pituitary is made up of nerve tissue and stores and releases two hormones produced by the hypothalamus hormones, produced by the anterior pituitary. Growth hormone, GH, stimulates growth and cell reproduction in bones, muscles, and other organs. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH, stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormones that regulate metabolism. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, stimulates the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, a hormone that helps the body respond to stress. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH, regulate the menstrual cycle and reproductive function in females and stimulate the production of testosterone in males. Prolactin stimulates milk production in females after childbirth. Melanocyte stimulating hormone, MSH, stimulates the production of melanin, a pigment that gives color to the skin, hair, and eyes. Hormones produced by the posterior pituitary, antidiuretic hormone, ADH, regulates water balance by decreasing the amount of water excreted in the urine. Oxytocin stimulates uterine contractions during childbirth and promotes the release of milk from the breasts during nursing. Thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped endocrine gland located in the neck, just below Adam's apple. It produces and secretes several hormones that are essential for maintaining normal bodily functions. The thyroid gland is composed of two lobes that are connected by a small band of tissue called the isthmus. It is situated in front of the trachea and just below the larynx. The thyroid gland is made up of follicular cells, which produce and secrete the hormones T3 and T4, and parafollicular cells, which produce the hormone calcitonin. Hormones produced by the thyroid gland, thyroxine, T4. The thyroid gland produces about 80% of T4, which is converted to T3 in various organs and tissues. T4 and T3 are responsible for regulating metabolism, growth, and development in the body. Triiodothyronine, T3. T3 is the more active form of thyroid hormone and is responsible for regulating metabolic processes such as energy production, heart rate, and body temperature. Calcitonin. Calcitonin helps regulate calcium levels in the body by reducing the amount of calcium released from bones. Adrenal gland. The adrenal gland is an endocrine gland located above each kidney. It plays a critical role in the body's response to stress and the regulation of various bodily functions. The adrenal gland is divided into two main regions: the outer adrenal cortex and the inner adrenal medulla. The adrenal cortex produces hormones that are essential for life, while the adrenal medulla produces hormones that help the body respond to stress. Hormones produced by the adrenal cortex. Cortisol. Cortisol is the primary hormone produced by the adrenal cortex and plays a vital role in regulating metabolism, immune response, and the body's response to stress. Aldosterone. Aldosterone is a hormone that helps regulate salt and water balance in the body by increasing the reabsorption of sodium ions and the excretion of potassium ions. Androgens. The adrenal cortex also produces androgens, which are male sex hormones that are also present in females. Androgens play a role in the development of male sexual characteristics and contribute to the sex drive in both men and women. Hormones produced by the adrenal medulla. Epinephrine. Adrenaline. Epinephrine is a hormone that is released in response to stress and helps prepare the body for the fight or flight response. It increases heart rate, dilates blood vessels, and causes the air passages in the lungs to widen, allowing more oxygen to enter the body. Norepinephrine, noradrenaline. Norepinephrine is another hormone that is released in response to stress and works with epinephrine to prepare the body for the fight or flight response. Pancreas. The pancreas is a vital organ located in the abdomen, behind the stomach. It plays an essential role in both the digestive and endocrine systems of the body. The pancreas is a glandular organ that is approximately 6 to 10 inches long and shaped like a thin, flat tadpole. The pancreas is divided into two main sections, the exocrine pancreas and the endocrine pancreas.